There's only one. It's only one, just only one, just.
Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. So y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is, okay? It's wig season, it's wig day. It's time for another wig. I've been rocking a curly look and then a long straight look for a little bit. But I saw this hair on YouTube the other day and I was like, I gotta have it. I gotta have it. So let's give a round of applause for Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video. First of all, it's the little purse for me, like, yes, this hair is gonna be from Nadula Hair. So you already know we're gonna look inside and see what they have to offer. You guys know the drill. It's giving wig cap, it's giving headband, it's giving lashes, and it's giving makeup brush. I'm already so excited. Okay, here she is. Y'all know I used to have a bob, right? She's back. Basically, what I feel like I'm doing in this area of my life is I'm bringing back all my old hairstyles. You know, I was red for a little bit, did the red wig. Had a bob for a little bit, very short-lived, might I add. Miss her. Loved her. So today we're doing a bob wig. But not only is it a bob wig, it's a wear and go, which literally means, you know how they had wash and go, but it really took like 3 hours? This literally is gonna give you a 5-minute, if that, hairstyle. So let's get into the details. Can we talk about pre-plucked? Come on, Hairline, hello? Not only is it pre-plucked, it's pre-cut. Hello, soft life, soft life, soft life. That's all I was asking for in the last video. I'm like, y'all know I don't like to cut my wigs. I'm just not good at it. So if you want to come pre-plucked and pre-cut, don't mind if I do. So this is a nice, I believe this is a 10-inch. I will have all the specs in my description box. But it's a bob because we love a bob. So I'm going to show you how easy this is to put on. So you guys know already it has the clips. Every wig comes with the clips and it has a nice tight band in the back so that it won't fall off of your head. Now let's go ahead and, hey girl, don't act like y'all don't know. Don't act surprised. We know already what's under there. So now we're getting unpredictable. What you gonna do when they come for you? All right, wig cap is on. I'm not one of the people who like to wear my wig cap all the way up here because I feel like the line of demarcation is just, it's just doing too much. We don't need all that. Oh, I'm so excited for this wig. All right, so like I said, pre-plucked, pre-cut. So all you really have to do is put it on. Now I'm gonna tell you, it's not gonna match my hair, my skin color right away, okay? I just wanna show you guys what it looks like before I do anything to it. Oh, this is gonna hit. Oh, it's gonna hit. Oh, 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 oh. So, like I always say, or like I've been saying recently, all my deeper toned, dark skinned queens, get you this. This is gonna be the cure and the answer to your mismatched problems here, okay? Because literally, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you what it does. So this is the color the lace comes in. Not for me, but that's okay because I got the answer. So I kind of mix them both together. One's a little bit lighter, one's a little bit darker, but it's giving, you see that already happening? It's giving be gone. It's giving lace be gone. Let's really get in there. You see how it's going away? All right, I'm gonna do the rest in the mirror though so I can see what I'm doing, but that ain't no problem. That ain't no problem, child. So really the hardest part is already done, but you know I gotta customize it a little bit just to make it like perfect. Gotta get rid of this little cone head thing on the top. So I'm going to use this band to just lay it down and then I'm going to straighten and flat iron the hair just to get it nice and flat and then literally we'll be done. 5 minutes, 5 minutes tops. Love that for us. All right, y'all, the hair is nice and pressed down. I got rid of that little lump in the back. So what do we think? Oh my gosh, it is giving. This is the haircut that this is what we were going for. Anyways, let's take this off. It might have slid back a little bit. Oh, it didn't. Oh, not the fresh silk press. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. We're pretty much done. You could stop here. I'm gonna do one more step, only because I feel like the knots are a little over bleached, if you can see that. I can't see if you can see. They're a little bit over bleached. So I'm just gonna take an old mascara and kind of like fill in the top a little bit. Sorry, my phone's going off. Because it's looking a little orange up there just from being over bleached, but we're gonna fix that. So yeah, guys, that's literally the finished look. Like, it was so simple. This took literally not that much time. And now that I've already straightened it, all I have to do every day is just plop it on my head, do a little adjusting. I can spray it down if I want to, but there's no need for that right now. Just to show you how glueless it is. Hello? The comb is going through it. No problem. That ain't no problem, okay? So yeah, I really think that glueless wigs are the perfect wig for any beginner. Like, you don't have to do any plucking, you don't have to do any cutting the lace, any gluing down, any bleaching. It came pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut, all that. This is what I call a soft life type of wig. Like, you don't have to do anything. You literally just put it on your head. You can manipulate the hair if you want to, but this part, they got you covered, okay? No work required. And I love that for me, and I love that for you. So you guys already know I'm gonna leave all the details in the description box. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.